The other cows, they're curious about us making all this racket over here shooting at buzzards. I hope we don't offend somebody killing buzzards. If not, I'll ship them to them if they want them.
They can have all of them they want.
Yeah, they can have all the buzzards they want. They take out our livestock, our newborns, so they are pestilent on the farm.
They probably kill more cows every year than cows do.
Oh yeah, buzzards, absolutely. At newborn stage, they sure do. I agree with you. I'm gonna back up and show y'all this corn crib. It's in the state of needing torn down, but I'm just, like I say, I beg John, just don't do it. And it's sheltering us right now from the buzzards, so they can't see us too much. We're hunting buzzards. I'll show y'all back. Lola, early this morning, she went across that pond away from the herd so she could calve. And she did so good, and it's up and it's nursing. And then when it laid back down, buzzards just surrounded them, and she had gotten to where she had no choice but to just stand over against the baby, and she was just surrounded. So then I went screaming and hollering, and then I called John and said, come home. And you left the pasture burning, didn't you, baby?
I left the pasture on fire.
Oh my goodness. Well, the buzzards look like you kind of gotten them scared away for now. I'd hate for the whole rest of the pasture to be
Well, I do have a disc line around it, but
okay.
I'm going to give this another
Okay.
5-10 minutes, and I'll go back and check on my fire.
All right, I'm going to sit here with you. Maybe we'll see one or two come back and get another shot or two. Behind them and just push our way out of
Need to go back and check on that fire.
Yeah. All right, darling.
Oh, tell you
Thank
what.
you for coming and
Yeah.
killing. Thank you for coming and killing, baby. Let's see, guys. Y'all reckon we can walk across this log? Take a shortcut. We got a pond and a creek. Let's do some log walking. Y'all hang on. Get your balance. This is a big old tree, wasn't it? It was. There we go. We did it. Ooh, it's still muddy. I need some more tree. Oh, gracious. There we go. Alright, we're across this pond. Let's go. Wind blowing on y'all. I bet it's making a lot of noise because it's making a lot of noise against my ears. It's a beautiful warm day. Beginning of March. We're starting to tilt toward the spring, and I love it. I love it. Do y'all love it? Some of y'all said y'all love the winter. That's how my youngest son is. He loves the winter. I'm like, yuck, John Tyler, yuck. That's old Crow. Crows don't generally bother the calves, at least not ours. So, hey Lolo Bug, what did you do this morning? Hey Sweet Goose. Daddy and I knew you were ready. She said, yes I was. She calved last year, and it was stillborn, and it was so beautiful. It was a little bull, and he was stillborn, so we wondered how she was going to do this year. This is her second time. Hey, Lolo Bug. Hey, Sweet Goose. You sure did good this morning. Yes, you did. Sweet girl. That is a beautiful calf, darling. Beautiful. I'm going to walk around this way, darling. See if I can push you back up. Oh, yeah, she didn't eat all her afterbirth. That's what they're after. Need to find me a stick and get that into the pond. We'll give the turtles the afterburst, darling. Yes, we will. Mama will take care of it. Yeah, you got your hands full. Mama will take care of it. Find me a stick. That's why all these buzzards was down here, wasn't it, girl? She said, yep. They make afterburst cotton candy. Around the stick. Yes, I do. There we go. I'm gonna get it. Okay, y'all. I have walked, y'all. If you hear me winded, it's because we've been walking fast. But anyway, I'm staying over here in the shade just a second to let y'all know that this is the pasture that they've been burning on this morning. John and John Tyler. And it's a great way to clean up your pastures just before spring. It gets rid of all the little prickly briars, and it just fertilizes that ground so. And when spring hits, I mean, that grass will jump, and no chemicals were involved. That's what's so good about it too. But you do have to cut some fire lanes. Y'all see these fire lanes John cut right here? Hope you can, because I can't through the camera. It's just sunshine. Hey, darling. I just was walking everybody over here to show them what you were up to when I called you off of a fire to come shoot buzzards.
Well, that's important too.
Well, it is. I was telling them how pretty this pasture is going to be after you burned it.
Oh man, that's going to help this thing big time.
Yes, it is. I see it's getting all the little briars just gone.
Oh yeah, yeah.
I love it. Love it.
That's supposed to be some of the best fertilizer there is.
Yeah, these ashes, absolutely. And no chemicals, that's what I was telling everybody.
Right there.
Yes, old time farming. The finest, the finest. Here comes our country taxi. We got to get the yard working, don't we? Taxi! Taxi! John's looking at me like, what? I said, taxi!
Yes, ma'am.
Are you my country taxi?
I am your country taxi. That's what a taxi looks like in the country.
That's right. All right.
Let me run you on back and we go around this way.
You can go around that way, baby. I bet everybody'd like to see around that way. I do. Matter of fact, I'm going to open this door back up so they can see.
told me, he said, I gotta have you, so I just cut it off right there. Come on.
Hey, that works.
Hey.
If you feel like it this evening, baby, we'll thaw out some of that bass and fry it.
Yeah. Yeah, I hadn't even thought about it. Yeah.
Yeah, we could just do that. Do that. Alright, that's as far as he brought us, y'all. We got to walk again. That was a nice little break though, wasn't it? When I come on here and show y'all what else I'm doing, y'all all say, well, do that some more too. And so I'm glad to bring y'all out here with me. This evening we have some bass in the freezer, freshwater bass. Yum! Fish. And we're gonna thaw that and sit out back and fry some french fries and some hush puppies. And that's the one thing I do have a fast and furious hush puppy, fried hush puppy recipe that I learned from Mary Beth's mama, Miss Cappy. A lot of people in the area might know who I'm talking about, Miss Cappy. She's passed on. I bet she's frying up these things in heaven for everybody. They're seeing how good and fast they are. And I might share that with y'all if I've got a second or some battery life. Me too. Oh, that's the only thing about pretty trees in your yard. They drop lots of pretty limbs. Alright guys, y'all think we're at maximum capacity? That's what I asked y'all earlier. I do too. Let's take these for a ride and dump them.